Before you begin to learn virtual reality development, make sure you have these two things in your computer. One, let's go to unity.com products. Make sure you have a Unity account. You either have a Unity Personal or Unity Student, which are the free versions. Once you have the account set up, go to unity.com/unity-hub. Download for Windows. Once you have Unity Hub installed, go to the Install tab and Install Editor. For this course, we're going to be using 2021.3. Any recent long-term support version. Install that. Make sure you check the Android build support. Continue. Once you install the editor, we will have all set up for the editor part. Once you have the correct Unity installed, let's start with Quest device setup. In this course, I'll be using Quest 2. For Quest 2, you go to this link. I'll put this down in the description below. Follow all the steps for device setup. Make sure you verify your account. Make sure you always have a Meta account, verify your account, and enable the developer mode for your Quest device and install Oculus ADB driver. Once you follow all the steps, have this, you make sure you have a correct software in your computer for your Quest device. If you're using Quest 3 or Quest 2 or Quest Pro, I am using Quest 2, so I'm going to download the software. I'm going to show you how the software looks like. Once you download the software, it will give you the step-by-step instruction to how to connect this to your computer. I suggest using the wired Oculus link to connect it to the computer. Once you connect it to the computer, go to the device, you'll see, follow their steps, you'll see that Quest 2 is connected. And now we are ready to begin your VR development journey. Thank you.